Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Camille's Essence. So today we're bringing you 50 video ideas for your channel. A lot of people in 2022 are wondering, what would I get on YouTube and talk about? Well, look no further because we're getting ready to give you 50 video ideas. But 25 are coming from me, 25 are coming from Camille. So not only do you have to watch this video to the end to get all 25, well, I'm also putting out a bonus one. And then you need to go check out Camille's Essence to get the other 25 plus her bonus one. So let's just jump right into it. All right, guys, without further ado, let's just jump right into these ideas. I have them all typed up on paper, and I'm going to give you guys numbers 1 through 25, but you got to watch this video in full and stay to the end to find out the bonus one. Idea number 1 is eating vegan for a day or a week. So a lot of people are very curious about this video idea where you guys are going to eat vegan for 24 hours, or you can do it for a whole week. That means 7 days. So this is an idea for my channel that I would love to try. If you would love to see me do it, comment down below. Give me some encouragement to try to go vegan for at least 24 hours is what I would start with. Idea number 2 is how to be productive. A lot of people are wondering, what is a productive day like? And honestly, you can video yourself showing them a productive day, going to the grocery store, going to the gym, going to the mall, going to work, going to this place or going to that place. Just vlog it all. Idea number 3 is a great one because that one is right here. What's in my iPhone? A lot of people have iPhones. A lot of people are nosy. A lot of people want to see what it is you have on your iPhone. Put it out there. And if you ain't got nothing to hide, show it. So my video was right here, but definitely vlog yourself showing what's in your iPhone because I'm nosy. I'll watch it. Video number 4 is to make a Starbucks drink at home. Now, many of you know Starbucks is hitting. Can't nobody make coffee at home like Starbucks, but you got to give it a try. Make some different recipes. I know for sure I have a video on my channel where I have the Mr. Coffee Ice and I'm making an iced coffee from home. You guys can also go on TikTok and find these and definitely make some at home and save your coins. Save your money, put it back in your purse, put it back on your credit card, you know it. So idea number 5 is a Trader Joe's taste test. Trader Joe's I've never been to before, but I definitely would love to try, and I'm thinking about doing that. Definitely go in Trader Joe's, find some things that you like, and bring it home, do a taste test, see if you like it, see if you don't like it, what would you rate it, and everything else. Video number 6 is eat for under $25 for the week. I don't know if anybody else is able to eat under $25 for the week, especially like larger families, but maybe, you know, it's a challenge. Try it, do it, enjoy it. Video number 7 is waking up at 5 a.m. for a week. Now, I can imagine waking up at 5 a.m., but I can't. So wake up at 5 a.m. and show people what it's like to wake up at 5 a.m. and show them like you working out, you making breakfast, you know, doing this or doing that. Video idea number 8 is reviewing clothing brands. A lot of people want to do a review for clothing brands such as Shein or Romwe. If I'm saying it wrong, it's just because I've never did it before. But most definitely, reviewing clothing brands is great. If you want to review some workout clothes, do that. If you want to review like Nike brand things that you buy, just make it into one big vlog. Idea number 9 is recreating outfits. So when recreating outfits, I would go to Pinterest. You can recreate outfits like it's nothing. A lot of teachers do it because they want to find outfits to wear in the springtime or the summertime, because those are the months where we can finally be free and let ourselves breathe. Idea number 10 is do a chit chat. You can sit in your car and do a chit chat. You can sit at your kitchen table and do a chit chat. You can, sit outside and enjoy the sun, enjoy the warm weather, do a chit chat. Let people know like what you're up to. Let people know what you're doing. Let people know, just anything that's on your mind. A quick chit chat. Idea number 11 is a story time. Now, I've done plenty of story times in my life, but they don't get as many views as other people's channels. So story time, let people know stories that, of things that you've been through, or things that have happened in your life. I know I did a story time one day, just speaking on the non-existence of my real dad. And so, once again, it didn't do too well, but at the end of the day, that's okay. Everybody's story time is going to be a little bit different. Idea number 12 is to do a prank. Now, one thing I can say about a prank is I'm the queen of pranks. I will stand in the hallway and scare the bejesus out of you. And just know that pranks do come along with consequences, because when you prank someone, they're going to prank you back. I know that for sure, if I could have gotten it on camera, I was walking up the hallway one night. Charles ended up scaring me, and I squirted my applesauce all over him. Didn't mean to, but he scared me, so things happen. Idea number 13 is a how-to. A lot of people want to see how to dress, how to make a carrot cake, how to make pineapple upside down cake, how to knit, how to crochet, how to braid. These are all the tutorials that people want to see. So if you can do it, show them how to do it. Idea number 14, this only comes once a year. So yes, do a birthday vlog. Show people what it's like to celebrate your birthday. Have them celebrate your birthday with you, or vice versa. Have you show them what your birthday is like, and they can celebrate your birthday with them. So idea number 15 is what I'm reading in 2022. A lot of people are into reading out on the beach, out in, warm weather, things like that. All I'm going to say is just show and share what it is you're reading. And, if it's a great book, show it. I know there's a lot of great books out there that I'm looking forward to buying, and I think I'm going to purchase one after this video today. I'm thinking of buying Little Fires Everywhere, or I think I have it up in my book up there. I'll have to check. But definitely, like, I have Harry Potter's, I have Matilda, I have Pretty Little Liars, you name it. Idea number 16 is a 24-hour challenge. So for 24 hours, you're challenged to do something, and then at the end of your video, challenge someone else to do it. I know that it was a 24-hour challenge where you could go vegan for 24 hours, tag somebody to do it after. You can also encourage someone to eat red foods for 24 hours. Like, it's plenty of challenges out there that you can find. So idea number 17 is a swimsuit haul. Y'all, believe it or not, people want to know what is the latest bathing suits out here. So yes, do a bathing suit haul. I did one last year from Shein, and it did really well. I didn't try them on in this video. I did try them on in a different video, but that video didn't do as well as the actual bathing suit haul of me showing them what I bought. So I deleted it, but never be discouraged about your video. Leave it up and running, and it will find views, even if it is a couple months down the road. Idea number 18 is recreating Pinterest hairstyles. Now, for sure, I am always on Pinterest looking for a hairstyle to do for my daughter or to do for myself. So go to Pinterest, type in recreating hairstyles, and simply all of these hairstyles are going to pop up. Try to do them yourself. Show people at the beginning of your video what hairstyle it is you're doing, and then show them the outcome to see if they can compare. All right, so idea number 19 is a hair wash day. Show people what it's like to wash your hair. Show people what it's like and what products you use. A lot of people would love to see the products that you're using in your hair, and they want to compare how they wash their hair. Idea number 20 is gift ideas. Gift ideas are great, not only for birthdays, not only for Easter, not only for Christmas, not only for anniversaries. Gift ideas are great because a lot of people have no idea what to get their partners, what to get their kids, what to get teachers. These are really great gift ideas that you guys can look up on Pinterest as well and then create it. Go and find whatever it is you find, show people what you bought, boom. Idea number 21 is a mukbang. A mukbang can get messy, but show people your mess. Show people what you're eating. Show people how you eat. It's just a mukbang. All right, idea number 22, spend a day in my life. Point blank period. People would love to see what you really do on the normal. Keep that camera out. Keep that phone out. Vlog it, vlog it, vlog it. Can't say it anymore. Can't say it no less. Idea number 24 is do it yourself. Do it yourself videos are a #1 hit. They are literally the #1 go-to. Anyone that, wants to see a do-it-yourself, type in do-it-yourself on YouTube and boom, a whole bunch of things are going to pop up. Do-it-yourself houses, do-it-yourself cleaning, do-it-yourself this, do-it-yourself that. Just look it up. And last but not least, idea number 25 is day in my life vlog. Not only can you do a spend a day in my life video, you can also do a day in my life video where you literally vlog from the time you get up to the time you go to sleep. And it just shows people, once again, what it's like a day in your life. And then for the bonus video idea is here. All right. For the bonus idea video, I chose YouTube video ideas. So this means that you guys can show off how you create your thumbnails, how you create your video ideas, how do you think of your video ideas and what video ideas do you come up with? You also can share like what software are you using to create your videos. You also can share how you create your thumbnails, like, what software you use for that or what app you're using for those. You can share anything YouTube video idea related, whether it's, how you plan out your videos, anything of that nature. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out Camille's video over at Camille's Essence, and it's down in the description box down below. But also be sure to comment down below which video idea you're going to try on your channel if you're a content creator. If you're not a content creator and you're thinking of creating a YouTube channel in 2022, stay tuned on my channel and make sure you're subscribed because that video is coming out next.